The third product on this list is the Bestier L-shaped gaming desk. Now, let's talk about functionality. Yes, having a high-quality, sturdy gaming desk for all your gaming needs is awesome. But imagine having all these and being able to use them for other functions, like, say, bookshelves and organizers. You may think that's impossible, but the Bestier L-shaped gaming desk says otherwise. For starters, you can definitely say that this gaming desk combines function and style. You can easily fit 2 monitors on one side while still having plenty of room on the other for a computer, printer, and other miscellaneous items. It also has 3 holes for easy cable management. We also appreciate that the surface itself is spacious enough to store plenty of files, documents, laptops, and electronic gadgets. The Bestier L-shaped desk also has plenty of storage functions that make it ideal not only for gaming, but also for home and office use. It can be configured in 2 ways, a 59.5-inch corner desk or a 95.5-inch double long desk, depending on your needs. The L option maximizes corner space, while the long option is better for 2 people working together. Lastly, you'll never doubt its durability. It's made of metal frame and CARB certified P2 class wood, so you can be sure it'll be stable for a long time. Its pros are, it has adjustable shelves to fit different heights of the items, its built-in wide steel tube with a high load-bearing capacity strengthens and stabilizes the computer desk, and it has plenty of legroom, so you can easily stretch and move around. However, it might be tricky to assemble with all the additional parts and features. This L-shaped gaming desk from Bestier is the perfect solution for gamers who want to be comfortable and have everything they might need right at their fingertips.